Hello guys, this is how I made my egusi soup. I added my meat inside pot and I added blended pepper with seasoning. It was covered for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes I added first oil. So I added my egusi and leave it for 5 minutes. I added my ugwu vegetable and I added mini pepper with egusi water. I added panla fish, so I put another oil to make it look okay. After 2 minutes I added osiza leaf. The reason why I added osiza leaf, to make it sweet. You know there is no salt inside. I need to put ingredient that will make it sweet by blended crayfish, black pepper, by another seasoning. So offer is the last ingredient to make it thick. I add. So our soup is ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please and please.